could see the president is unaware. So Friday ni bedupe we digging in. We could see the fire that coming, man. No matter the situation we sitting in. Biography now I never drop him. So till the way I go massacre all the way. So they say once a soldier is always a soldier. And your security, I want your pension pay. Speedy flow, y'all the dogs from me reserve. Who do say they're charging me power bank. I should be beating around cause the family already knew that it's a brother man. In the setup, just relax and enjoy this. About to fly to a better land. That's a bigger one. Who's a band in the bonus? I penetrate one as Samuel Jan. 22nd November 85. You wanna know what Ghana, your capital. Sicily, I'm walking about 4 jam and sunny by in such a biological. As a little boy when he grew up and wasn't alone with the brother T. However, the brother could also bear the name of a father. Senior Buffalo Jan, also a player. Was so difficult to gain admission. Accra Academy near any mission. He took only J's upon was a PE teacher, pen a boy no admission. The skills, he got it all. That time they had the tournament, so we needed someone to come over line for the one of a team in the betterment. The greatest of all time, striker back up who got the goals coming. Started career in 2003 with Liberty headed by Teta Alaji. He got 16 matches with 10 goals. After 3 seasons with to the knees, the ball and you be name was small post. Levy goes he made it 39 league 08. Playing for Rennes FC. Odigo Samani feeling healthy, you got it. So 48 league matches, 14 goals. Ne PM when they have it again on a Sunderland. Set a record that will be to me 10 wapam. After 1 hour, 24 now share and I go so no money set time. Later we're joining what permanent. Make us a keke without evidence. You were you pro league in the title, no Kahuna J 2018 a heavy net. Me famous 101, 2 assists, go see 2017. Was Africa a cup of nations, a man participating, he said go he did, yeah. Let me take you there. Owolo Monkwana say baby jet. The later the fire cannot so Kahuna drop a hit in the universe. Although when another was do the dance. Yabo yabo before the Hamatan. I see African ladies all around, we are back on it before even Ramadan. Ghana's footballer not to be the richest. Once in Africa and one of the biggest. Who got a net worth of $23.5 million. Into real estate, entertainment, oil and gas and transportation. Food in affairs with donations. I hope I buy for the benefit of the nation. Bunch. So you want me talking of the penalty? There be any some other time. Even with the fire Ghana for the banner. So the bubble with the emphasis high. Ambassador for run energy. Impact I will make it will be I see a heavy FIFA competition recording achieving. Africa footballer was in 2020 and I'm leaving. Bunch.